Hi, today we are going to see matter in our surroundings. In our surroundings, we have see large variety of objectives which different shapes and sizes and textures. All the objects, in fact, everything in this universe made up of material, which scientists have named as a matter. The air we breathe, the food we eat, then stones, clouds, stars, plants, and animals. Even a small drop of the water or particle of sand, everything is matter. The matter can be seen, tasted, smelled, and felt. Matter can neither be created nor destroyed. It can only be changed from one form to the another form. In modern days, the scientists have evolved two types of classification of matter based on their physical and chemical properties. Then, what is that matter? The matter is everything of the mass and the volume. We can say anything of the mass occupies the space and can be felt by our one or more sense organs called the matter. Classification of matter. Early, the Indian philosophers classified the matter five basic elements called Panch Tattva. What is that Panch Tattva means? Air, water, earth, sky, and fire. According to them, everything living and non living was made up of these five basic elements. Nowadays, the matter is classified to their physical properties and chemical nature. Example: solid, liquid, gas are the elements and compounds and matters. The physical nature of matter. Every matter is made up of certain particles which is differ from the shape and size and the nature from the where the type of the matter. The particle of the matters are very small and tiny. The characteristics of particles of matter. The particles of matters have a space between them. The particle of the matter in the states in continuous movement, such that they possess some energy. The particle of matter possesses some energy, so that one is called kinetic energy. As the temperature rises, when the temperature rises, the kinetic energy of the particles increases and hence the particles moves faster. The particle of matter have a tendency to diffuse. An example, intermix on their own with each other. They do so by getting into the spaces between the particles. The intermingling of the particles of two different types of matter on their own is called diffusion. The particle of matter attract each other. The force of attraction exists between the particles, that is known as the intermolecular force of the attraction. The force keeps the particles together. The strength of this force of attraction varies from one kind of the matter to the another. States of matter. Matter around us exists in three different states, which are solid, liquid, and gas. These states of the matter of the air due to the variation in the characteristics of the particles of the matter. Solid state. Solid is defined as the form of the matter which possesses the rigidity, incompressibility, and hence definite shape and having the definite volume. Some important properties of solid are follows. Solid have the definite shape, distinct boundary. There is a distinct boundary in the solid and fixed volume. In example, having a negligible compressibility. Solids have a tendency to maintain the shape when subjected to the outside force. Solid either do not diffuse or diffuse at very slow rate. Solid may break under the force, but it is difficult to change their shapes, so they are rigid. Generally, solid have the higher densities compared with their liquid gaseous forms. Then sugar, sand, rocks, stones, metals like carbon, aluminum, gold, silver, etc. are the examples of the substance exist in the solid states. What is the density? Density is the uh, mass by volume. Liquid state. Liquid is defined as the form of the matter which possesses a fixed volume but have no fixed shape. Liquid do not have the definite shape. In example, they take up the shape of the container in which they are kept. Liquid flow change the shape, so they are not rigid but can be uh, called as a fluid. Solid liquid gases can be diffused into the liquids. Um, the gases from the atmosphere diffuses and dissolve in water. These gases, especially oxygen, carbon dioxide, are essential for survival. Aquatic animal and plants. Aquatic animals can breathe under the water due to the presence of dissolved oxygens in the water. Liquids are almost incompressible. The attraction force between the particles of liquid is greater than the gases but less than that of solids. The rate of diffusion liquid is higher than that of solids. This is due to the fact in the liquid state the particles move freely and have greater space between each other as compared particles in the solid state. The density of liquid is generally less than that of its solid form. Some exceptions are also there. Example, solid. Ice is lighter than the water as it flows on the water. In example, density of the solid form of the water is less as compared to the liquid form of the water. Water, milk, juice, oil, kerosene, petrol, alcohol, benzene, etc. are examples of these substances which exist in the liquid states. The gaseous states. The gaseous can be defined as in the form of the matter which possess the high compressibility and hence the neither definite shape on the spaces between them. Gases have the tendency to tendency to uh, flow as a liquid do, therefore they are also considered as a fluids. The gases show the property of diffusing very fast into other gases due to the high speed of particles and large spaces between them. Due to the high diffusion tendency of gases, the smell of hot cooked food reaches used in seconds. The particles of aroma of food mix with particles of air spread reaches us even further away. The gases are incompressible. The liquefied petroleum gas. The cylinder is used in our homes for cooking. The oxygen is supplied to the hospitals. In the cylinders is the compressed gas. The compressed natural gas is used as a fuel these days in vehicles due to the higher compressibility. Large volume of the gas can be compressed into the small cylinder and transported easily. In the gaseous states, the particles move about randomly at high speed. Due to this random movement, the gases exert the pressure on the walls container in which they are kept. Here is the examples of gaseous state. It is a mixture of gases like oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, inert gases, and other example of gases are hydrogen, ammonia, nitrogen dioxide, and sulfur dioxide. All living creatures need the breath for survival, so solid liquids and gases can be diffused into the liquids. The density of the gas is minimum. The gas is much lighter than the same volume of solid or liquid. Rigidity and fluidity. Rigid means inflexible. A solid rigid form of the matter, hence it does not require the container to keep it. The fluid is a material which can be flow easily, require the vessels to keep it. A liquid is a fluid form of the matter which take the shape of the container, while the gas is fluid form of the matter which fills the container. Change of states of matter. In our daily life, you come across the various substances which exist in three states: solid, liquid, and gas. Example: water, wax, and glasses, etc. Water is the most commonly observed example of exists as a ice as well as water vapor gas. In interconversion states of matter. The states of matter interconvertible, the phenomena of change of matter from the one state to the another state and back to the original state by altering the conditions of temperature and pressure is called the inconvention state of matter. The following two factors are possible to convert the state of the matter is change in temperature and change in pressure. The terms involved in change in state are fusion or melting and melting point. The process of conversion of matter from its solid state to its liquid state at specific conditions of temperature and pressure is called fusion or melting, and the definite temperature at which solid starts melting is called the melting point of that solid. Example: melting point of the ice is 0 degree centigrade or 273.6 K. Higher melting point of the substance, greater will be the force attraction between the particles. boiling point and boiling. The process of conversion of matter from its liquid state to vapors at specific conditions of temperatures and pressure is called boiling. The bulk phenomenon and the temperature at which the liquid starts boiling at the temperature and the pressure known is boiling point. Sublimation. The process of change of solid state directly into the gaseous states without passing through the liquid state upon heating and vice versa on cooling is known as the sublimation. Example: naphthalene, camphor, iodine, aluminum chloride are the solid that undergo the sublimation. Vaporization. The process of conversion of matter, liquid state, the gaseous state at the specific conditions, the temperature and the pressure is called the vaporization. Freezing and freezing point. The process of conversion of matter from its liquid state to the solid state, specific conditions of temperature and pressure is called freezing. It is reverse process of fission and melting and definite temperature which a liquid change into the solid state by giving the energy at one atom is called the freezing point. Condensation. The process of conversion of matter in its gaseous state to the liquid state at specific conditions of temperature and pressure is called condensation. It is the reverse process of vaporization. Effect of change of temperature. When a solid is heated, the kinetic energy of its particle is increases. Due to increase the kinetic energy, the particle starts vibrating with greater speed. The energy is supplied by heating the overcomes the forces attraction between the particles. The particles leave their position and start moving more freely. At certain stage, the solid metal is converted into the liquid state. At certain temperature, a point reached when the particles is enough energy break free the forces attraction of each other. At this temperature, it is boiling point. The liquid starts changing into the gas. In contrast, by decreasing the temperature by cooling, a gas can be converted into the liquid state and the liquid can be converted into the solid state. The effect of change of temperature state may be like that: solid, liquid and gaseous. Then the difference between the gas and the vapor, the substance is said to be the gas if it is a boiling point is below the room temperature. Example: O2, N2, CO2. It is the normal physical state of the substance, either solid or liquid, but gets converted into the gaseous state either on its own by absorbing the energy. The gaseous state is called the vapor state. Examples: vapors in the water, in the air. Latent heat. It is given by the substance. It is the temperature increases, however, which the heat is supplied to change the physical state of the substance. There is no increase in temperature of the substance. The heat energy which is supplied to change the state of the substance is called latent heat. In actual, the word of latent is means hidden. The latent heat does not raise the temperature, but latent heat is always supplied to change the state of these substances. The latent heat of the fusion, the amount of heat energy is required to change 1 kg of solid into the liquid. The atmospheric pressure at its melting point is known as latent heat fusion. The particle of the water is 0 degree centigrade have the more energy of compared to the particles of ice in the same temperature. Latent heat of vaporization. The amount of heat energy is converted into the 1 kg of liquid into the gas without any rise in temperature, known as the latent heat of vaporization. The water vapor is 373 K, that is 100 degree centigrade. Here, more energy of the water at the same temperature. The effect of change of pressure. The physical state of the substance can be changed by changing the pressure, and increase the pressure brings the particle closer and increases the force of attraction between them. That brings about the change. Example, when the high pressure is supplied to the gas and its temperature is reduced as converted into the liquid. In example, the gas is liquefied. Hence, we can see the pressure and temperature can be determine the state of the substances, whether it will be solid or liquid or gas. The pressure exerted the gas is measured in the atmosphere unit, that is, the pressure of the atmospheric is called the atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure at the sea level taken as 1 atmospheric, which is also normal atmospheric pressure. Evaporation. The process of conversion of liquid into the vapor state at any temperature below the boiling point of evaporation. The particles of liquid have the different amount of kinetic energies. The particles present at the surface process comparatively higher kinetic energy compare the close present in the bulk. Therefore, the particles at the surface with higher kinetic energy is able to break away from the forces attraction of the other particles and get converted into the vapor water when left uncovered. Slowly changes into the vapor, wet cloths dry up, etc., or happens to that evaporation. Factors affecting the evaporation. Surface area. The evaporation is the surface phenomenon. If the surface area is increased, the rate of evaporation also increases. Example, while putting a cloth for drying, we spread them out. So, temperature, the rate of evaporation of liquid increases with a rise in temperature, which increases the temperature. More number of particles get enough the kinetic energy to go into the vapor state. That is why evaporation is faster in hot summer day than in winter cloudy day. Humidity. It is the amount of the water vapor present in the air. The air around us cannot hold more than the definite amount of water vapor and given the temperature. If the amount of the water is already high, the rate of evaporation also decreases. That is why the clouds are dry up faster on dry day than the wet day. Wind spread speed. It is known as the clouds dry faster on the windy day. This because of increases the wind speed. The particle of the water vapor move away with the wind, decreasing the amount of water vapor in the surroundings. That is why the rate of evaporation of the liquid increases with increasing the speed. Evaporation of causes and cooling effect. In an open vessel, the liquid keeps evaporating. The particles of liquid absorbs energy from the surroundings to the regain energy lost during the evaporation. The absorption of energy from the surroundings make a surrounding cold. When ice cold water kept in the glass tumbler for some time, water droplets are observed. This occurs, the water vapors present in the air come in contact with the glass tumbler, get cooled and condensed to form these small water droplets. The formation of drops of water on the outside of the surface of the tumbler containing the crushed ice shows the presence of the water vapor in the air. Cotton cloths are used to water during the summer season, where during the summer season. Cotton is a good absorber of the water. To it helps absorb the sweat from our body. As it obvious, the person perspires more during the summer due to the auto temperature control the mechanisms. Hence, the wearing of cotton cloths kept in the easy evaporation of sweat. When the sweat evaporates, it takes the latent heat of vaporization from our body, which in turn cools the body. This person feels comfortable. The people sprinkle the water roof or open ground on the sunny day. When the water is sprinkled on the hot surface, it gets evaporated very quickly. As evaporated, the water leaves the surface cool due to the large latent heat of vaporization of water. This technique is quite effective summer for cooling the surfaces. Liquids like acetone or alcohol placed in the palm of the given your feeling of cooling. The acetone and alcohol are the volatile liquids. When kept on the palm, they gain the energy from the palm or the surroundings and evaporate, causing the palm feel cool. Plasma boss condensate two or more state of matter. Plasma. The state of consists of super energetic, super excited particles. These particles are from the ionized gases. Formation of plasma in neon sign bulbs, the neon gas and fluorescent tube, there is a helium gas. The gas gets ionized, the electrical energy flows through it. This is charging up, creates the plasma glowing inside the bulb or tube. The plasma glows with special color depending upon the name of the gas. The sun and start glow the pressure because of the presence of plasma in them in starts the plasma created because the very high temperature. Condensate, that is, in 1920 the scientist Surendra Nath Bose has done the calculation of fifth state of matter. Based on his calculation, Albert Einstein predicted a new state of matter, Bose-Einstein condensate, that the cooling of the gas density above the hundreds and thousands of density normal to air and super on the low temperature. In this matter around as pure. When we say in this substance is pure, it means that the substance is made up of only one type of consistence particles. In other words, substances are pure and single form of the matter. Depending upon the chemical compositions, classify the elements pure substances, non-separable, and the mixtures. There is the matter. Matter is the solid, liquid, and gas. Pure substances, there is a fixed composition. There is the elements and compounds cannot be broken down into the simpler substances. It is copper, oxygen, iron, hydrogen, mercury, etc. Compounds can be broken into the elements by chemical or electrochemical, water, methane, sugar, salt. Mixtures, non-fixed compositions, homogeneous, uniform compositions. Example, sugar in water, salt in water, sulfur in carbon dissolvable water, water in alcohol. Homogeneous, that is heterogeneous, non-uniform composition, sand, salt, sugar and salt and water in oil. Metals, iron, copper. Non-metals, hydrogen, oxygen. Metalloids, silicon, vanadium and antimony. The pure substances. The substances consist only the single type of constituent particles is called the pure substances. Example, gold water and based on the nature of the consistence, pure substances two types, elements and compounds. Elements, the term of the element Robert Boyle 1661 according to the Antoine Lavoisier, the French chemist, as element, basic form of the matter, cannot be broken down into the simpler substances by chemical reactions. An element is pure substances. Till now, 118 elements have been discovered. Out of these, 92 are natural elements, others are man-made. This is broadly classified as metals and non-metals. Metals. Metals is an element of malleable and and ductile and that conduct the heat and the electricity, and how the some silvery gray, golden yellow color, gold, silver, copper, iron, sodium, potassium, etc. Mercury is the only the metal that is the liquid at a room temperature. The gallium, calcium, because of their very low melting point, remains in the liquid state, temperature slightly above the room temperature. The non-metal is an element neither malleable or not ductile and does not conduct the electricity. The display a variety of colors: hydrogen, oxygen, iodine, carbon, chlorine, bromine is the only the non-metallic element that exists in liquid state at normal conditions of temperature and pressure. Metalloids, elements having the intermediate properties of those the metals and non-metals are called metalloids. Example: boron and silicon and germanium, etc. Compounds. Compounds is a substance is composed two or more elements chemically combined with one another in a fixed proportion. Example: water, methane, carbon dioxide, alumina and sodium chloride. The mixtures. Mixtures are the substance more than the one kind of the pure form known as the substance. The most of the matter around exists the mixtures two or more components. Example: sea, water, minerals, soils, etc. Types of mixtures. Homogeneous mixtures. The mixture consists uniformly distributed throughout any clear boundary of separation is called homogeneous mixtures. Here the constituents can be seen with naked eye or under the microscope. Some examples of homogeneous mixtures are salt solution, sugar solutions, soft drinks, petroleum and biogas, alloys, etc. Air is the homogeneous mixture of gas. It is two or more constituents: oxygen, nitrogen, and other gases are in the small quantities. Then homogeneous mixture does not have the uniform composition, has visible boundaries of separation between the constituent is called homogeneous mixture. Here the constituents of the homogeneous mixtures can be mixture the sugar and the mixture, and the mixture polluted the air, muddy of water. The compound and the difference between the compound and the mixture. The definite elements present in the definite ratio. Substances in the mix in any ratio. The elements combine chemically to form the compound. The chemical reaction does not take place during the formation. Constituents lose their properties. Constituents retain their properties Constituents cannot be separated. Simple physical methods. The constituents can be separated. Simple physical methods. Considerable energy change likes place during the information deconformation of the composition. The energy changes do not take place. The compound is always homogeneous in nature. The mixture of homogeneous or non-homogeneous in nature. Properties of solutions. A solutions of homogeneous is the mixture that cannot be seen at the naked eye due to the very small particles that do not scatter the beam of light passing through the solutions. So, the path of the light is not visible in the solution. The solution is stable. An example, solid particles do not settle down and left undisturbed. The solid particles cannot be prepared from the mixture by the process of filtrations. The solution, homogeneous mixtures, two or the more substance is called solution. The solutions, sometimes also called the true solutions, the lemonade, soda water solution, sugar solution, etc. are called the examples of the solution. In a solution, there is a homogeneity of particles level. In example, the particle is dissolved the substances and evenly distributed in the solution is undistinguishable from one another. There are two main components of solutions: the solvent dissolving the component in a larger amount of solutions dissolves to the other, the solute the present in the lesser quantity of solution that is dissolved in the solvent of solute. The some common examples of solutions: in a sugar solution, the sugar is a solute and water is the solvent. The solution of oxidant is a tincture of iodine, as iodine as the solid, alcohol is the liquid as the solvent. The drinks, soda and water, the gas in the liquid solutions and solute of the water as a solvent. Solid solutions is gaseous solutions. Alloys. The alloys are the mixture of two or more metal and non-metal cannot be separated onto their components and physical method, but still an alloy is considered as a mixture and can have the variable compositions. In the suspension, the properties of a suspension of heterogeneous mixture in which the solute particles do not dissolve but remain suspended throughout the bulk medium. Examples of the mixture: chalk and the powder in a water. The mixture as a sand in the water and smoke coming from the chimney of the factory. The properties of suspension: the suspension is the heterogeneous mixtures in a particles can see in the naked eye. In particles scatter beams light passing through the its and make the path visible. In unsustainable, in example, the solute particles settle down when the suspension is left undisturbed. They can be separated by the process of filtrations. When the particle is settled down, the suspension breaks and it does not scatter light anymore. The colloidal solution. The colloid is a mixture that is actually heterogeneous but appears homogeneous as the particles uniformly spread throughout the solution. Example: milk, shaving cream, cheese, etc. The colloidal solution is the colloidal salts. The property of colloid. A colloid in heterogeneous mixtures, the size of the particles colloid is too small individually cannot be seen in that naked eye. The colloid is a big scatter beam of light passing through make it visible. The colloid or the quite stable particle do not settle down when a colloid left undisturbed. The particle colloid can be passed through the filter paper. The colloid separate the filtration, however separate the technique. Then separating components of mixtures. Most of the natural substances are not chemically pure. The different methods of separation are used to get the individual components from the mixture. In order to separate the components of mixture, a single or combination of methods are used. The selection methods depends upon the nature of the component of the present mixture. The heterogeneous mixtures can be separated into their respective constituents by simple physical methods like hand picking, sieving, filtration, etc. that we use in our day-to-day life. Sometimes the special techniques are adopted for separating the components of mixture. The example: separation of color component dye from the ink. The evaporation, that the process of conversion of substances of the liquid state the gaseous state called the evaporation, and the substances are volatile. This method can be separate the volatile component from the non-volatile component of mixture. On heating the mixture, the volatile evaporates, leaving the behind the non-volatile evaporation. The example: common salt from the sea water can be separated. The method: the heat of the sun gradually evaporates the lake, river, or the common salt left behind the solid. The separation of colloidal particles from the solution. The two components having the different densities separated the configuration. This method based on the principles of that denser particles forced form the lighter particles on the top of the spun rapidly device used for the separate liquids and solids. Spinning is called centrifuge. Centrifugal machines are commonly used in this method. The machine can be rotated either by hand, manually, or electrically. The application is diagnostic laboratory, the blood and urine test. The washing machines squeeze out the water from the wet glass. Dairies and homes separate the butter from the creams. The separation of separating funnel. Then this method is used for separate the mixtures and of two immiscible liquids. This method is based upon the method of immiscible liquids separate out in the layers. The application of separating the phenol is used in separation of the mixture of oil and the water. During the extraction, iron from the lighter slag is removed from the molten iron. The sublimation and some have the tendency of sublime on hearing. In example, they convert directly from the solid um, to the gaseous, the pace on the heating without passing through the liquid phase. A solid can be separated from the sublimation. Examples of solid sublime: camphor, ammonium chloride, naphthalene, iodine, and undercurrent, etc. In sublimation is used to separate the mixes that contain the sublimable volatile of component. From a non-sublimable impurity. Example, the mixture of common salt and common chloride can be separated by the sublimation. The separation of the components with the help of some solvent. The term of chromography is the Greek of chromo means color. The technique was used for the separation of color. The chromography is the technique of separation of solids. Dissolve the same solvent. The mixture is depend upon the different substitution. Example, the separation of dyes present in the ink by the paper chromography. The ink we use as the water as a solvent in the dye is soluble in it. As the water rises on the filter paper and takes along the dye particles, usually dyes is the mixture of two or more colors. The color component that is more soluble in the water rises the faster. In this way, the color gets separated. The application of the chromography is separate drug from the blood, pigments of natural color, colors in the dye, the separation of two miscible liquids. If the liquid mixtures is miscible, the boil without the decomposition and possess the different boiling points, then they can be separated. Distillation. The distillation solves the conversion of the liquid vapor followed by the condensation of vapor back into the liquid, and distillation is used only if the liquids have the different boiling points more than the 25 K. The fractional distillation to separate the mixture of two or more miscible liquids for which the difference boiling points less than 25 K. The fractional distillation process is used for separation of different gases from the air, different fraction from the petroleum products, etc. The apparatus is similar to that simple distillation, except the fractioning of the column is fitted in between the distillation of the condenser. The simple fractioning of the column packed with the gas beads. The beads provide the surfaces of the vapors to cool the condensate repeatedly. The separation of different gases present in the air. The air homogeneous can be separated into its components by fractional distillation. For this purpose, the air compressed by increasing the pressure and cooled at a very low temperature. The liquid and the air is obtained. The liquid is allowed to form up slowly. The fractional distillation column, the gases of different heights depending upon the boiling points. Crystallization. The crystallization is the process of separate the solid from the crystal from its solution. The method is used to purify the solid. Example, salt get from the sea. We can have the many impurities in it. To remove the impurities, process crystallization. Crystallization is used. The crystallization technique is better than the simple evaporation technique. Some solids decompose, or some, like sugar, may get charred during the heating the dryness. Some impurities may remain dissolved solution even after the filtrations. On evaporation, contaminate the solid. Application: the purification of salt obtained from seawater, the separation of crystal from impure samples, the purification of drinking water. In cities, the drinking water is supplied from the waterworks. The number of dissolved removed before the drinking purposes. The solid machines to remove the suspended of solids, then loading with alum, remove the small particles likely clay present in the colloidal state. The particle likely clay is being negatively changed or neutralized by alum, and coagulate at the bottom of the tank. Filtrations: to remove the dissolved solids by passing the water through the filtration of tank, which possess the three layers: coarse of gravel at the bottom, and fine gravel in the center, and fine sand at the top. Acts as the filters. Impurities and impure in the water introduced from the bottom of the such impurities layers. Gravel, pure water, goes on to the top, sent to the um, colorization of tank. Colorization: kill the bacteria. The filter the water, treated and bleaching powder to kill the bacteria. The physical and chemical changes. Physical changes: the properties observed, like the specified, like color and rigidity, fluidity, density, and melting point and boiling point, etc. The physical properties. The changes in the color, changes in the composition and chemical nature of the substance is called physical changes. Interconversion state: the physical changes. Example, change the water. The physical changes because chemically the ice and the liquid and the water are both are same, although the ice, water all look the different and display the different physical properties, but chemically they are some. The chemical changes or the substances reacts in another substance, undergo the changes of chemical composition. The chemical changes and bring the change in the chemical properties of matter, and new substances obtain. The chemical changes also called as the chemical reaction. Both water, cooking, or oil or the liquid, but their chemical characteristics are different. They differ in order of the inflammability. The oil burns where the water extinguishes the fire. The chemical property make it from the water. Then the atoms and molecules. Then whenever the reactions and react together to form the products or elements combined together in the form of the compound, they are according to the certain laws called the laws of chemical combinations. The law of conversion of mass, which states that the mass can be neither created, not destroyed during the chemical reaction. This means that chemical reaction reacts in equal total mass of the products, and change in mass during the chemical reactions. The laws of proportions and low definition proportion. According to the law, the chemical substances of the elements always definite proportions by mass. In example, in compound of mass, ratio of mass, hydrogen of mass, oxygen is always 1:8, where when whatever the source of the water, thus 9 grams of water decomposed, 1 gram of hydrogen, 8 gram of oxygen always obtained. Similarly, the carbon dioxide, carbon, and the ratio of 3:8, CO2 16 grams, carbon compulsory 96 grams of oxygen. Thank you.